All right, so number 23 says, which point is in the solution set of the system? So we're looking at a point in the solution. Remember, a solution just means we have to sub it in and check if it works. However, since it's a system, we have to make sure that the point I'm subbing in works for both. So one way you can do this is always graph it out and see if it's in the double shaded area. But it's probably easier if we just go through each one of them and sub it in. So I'll start off with A. I'm going to plug it into the first one. If it works, then I'll plug it into the second one. So I got 7x plus 2y has to be greater than 8. And so let's see if this works out. 7x, I'm going to put in the 2. Y is negative 9. And I get 14 minus 18 is greater than 8. Well, first here, this is a negative number, so obviously it's not greater than this. So it's not 8. So let's move on to the next one. Let's try the same thing, but with 9 and negative 2. So I have 7x plus 2y is greater than 8. This time I'm plugging in 9 for x and negative 2 for y. So let's see if this works out. 63 minus 4 is greater than 8. That one looks like it makes it. That's 59. So now remember, for it to be a solution, it has to work for both in order for it to be a solution to the system. So I have, I'll just do it right here, negative 5x minus 5y is less than 4. So now I'm choosing this one and subbing in the same one, making sure it works. So 9 and negative 2 for y. And I get negative 45. Minus 5 and minus 2 is plus 10. And I get different signs, so they subtract. And I get a negative is less than a positive, which is true also. Since it works for both, it must be a solution to the system, which means this is in the solution set. So B is the answer.